Welcome to the Diwali special on Food Talk with Sharon. Hope all of you are geared up and prepared to celebrate this festival of lights. Today's recipe needs no introduction. We are making moong dal ka halwa. This is a perfect sweet dish for the winter season and for festivals like Diwali. So let's quickly move on to the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click that tiny bell icon too and turn on all notifications. For making moong dal ka halwa, the first step is to soak the dal. So it's best to soak the dal for a couple of hours overnight if you have time for that. And then once it's soaked properly, it almost doubles up in quantity and it becomes softer. And once that's done, the next step is to grind it. But before grinding, you need to make sure you drain off all the water and then grind it without any water added to it. Moong dal has been ground, so the next step is to start cooking it. So we are cooking it in ghee first, and for this I'll take half the quantity of ghee and add the moong dal to it and then start cooking it. So one tip here is don't let the ghee heat up first and then add the dal to it. Instead, just mix it together and then start cooking it together. The cooking of the moong dal has to be done on a low to medium flame because it has to roast nicely and it has to roast slowly. So if you turn up the heat, there is a chance that it will get burnt very quickly. And you need to roast it till it's really dry and it becomes like really easy for you to move it around. And it turns aromatic. You'll start getting that roasted moong dal along with the ghee smell. So the moong dal has been roasted. So the next step is to cook it in some milk. So take hot milk, and along with that I also like to add a few strands of saffron to cook this through. The moong dal halwa has to be cooked till the milk is almost all absorbed, and next step is to cook it in water and sugar. So the quantity of sugar is as per your personal preference. You can increase or decrease as per your taste. Once the sugar melts and the water starts getting absorbed by the moong dal, you can add in some more ghee. Now for flavoring, let's add some cardamom powder and some chopped nuts. I'm using a mix of pistachios, almonds and cashews. And you can add a little bit more of ghee. The moong dal halwa is ready and it smells absolutely divine. I just can't wait to dig into this bowl of goodness. So I hope you try this recipe this Diwali and enjoy it as much as we do. Wishing you all a very happy and safe Diwali.